So I'm going to show you how to clean up your data just in 2 steps. So all you need to do is to go to your favorite browser and then go to Kaggle and download your favorite data. You will need to log in to this because this opens straight away because I've already logged in. I've put in my details. So you need to make this big and then find maybe any of your favorite data that you want to clean. So I'm going to just like find anyone. So you go to data set and you find any data. You can download any data from here. This is a free space for you to download your data. So if you want computer data set, education data sets, anyone you want, just download it. So this is Spotify and it is Spotify stock data for 2025. So when you click on this, you are just gonna go to downloads, and before you download that, just if you want to see like a preview of what the data looks like the head, like the columns, the rows, and everything that is in the data, just so you know what you are going to be analyzing. So go to that, and when you are satisfied with everything that is here, you can click on this to see more. This is the data description, dates, open, everything you need to know about this data. So when you download this, it's gonna go to your downloads. If you go to your downloads, you're gonna see there is not being specified the name or anything. Just you're gonna see this on your downloads. If you are using Windows, just go to your download and you will see it there where you've downloaded it. So I'm using MacBook, so this is for MacBooks. But if you're using Windows, just go to your downloads and you will see it there. So when you do this, all you need to do now is to go to your Chrome browser again and go to OneDrive. Go to Google Drive. When you go to Google Drive, you sign in. If you sign into your Google Drive, you are going to go to My Drive and go to New and go to Google Collaborator, because this is the Jupyter notebook we are going to be using for this analysis. So do that, and when you are satisfied with this, so it's downloading right now. And when you are done downloading it, because you need to import that data here, this is where the data needs to be. You need to import that. So I'm just gonna go to my I'm just going to go to my downloads, and it's just if I go to my downloads, I'm going to see like my recent downloaded data, and is this one, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna go to check my downloads, and is that one, archive 8. So if I find this is where it is, and all I just have to do is to click on it and it opens. I'm just gonna drag this data all straight into my Jupyter notebook, and I'm gonna paste it on the sample data. So this is the easiest way that I found out for you to do this. So when you've done that, go back to that, and then you are going to find the data, which is that one, and drag it all down to here, so it's easier for you to analyze. So I'm just going to show you how to clean up this data in the easiest and fastest way. So you are going to say import pandas, import pandas as pd. This is for you to import the data. So I'm doing this analysis with Python. So you're going to import pandas because pandas is like a Python package that allows you to analyze data and clean up data. So I'm going to first of all read this data, and because it's a CSV data, so I'm going to read it to to get the content of the data. So I'm going to say data equals to you see, there is one thing about Jupyter notebook. It makes it easier for you to to analyze data, you know. So because like if I click on my tab now, I will be able to just, I don't have to write down everything. As long as I've started the statement, is going to help me to finish it off. So if is what you want, just click on tab and it's automatically gonna be okay. So so now I've got my data. This is because it's not defined. So now that is defined, I'm gonna click on this and it's fine. So no, there is no, because there is no data.csv, you know. So you need to be very careful when you are doing this. Our data name is shop 2020 something something something. So all, if you want this, just go to rename file and click on Control C, copy that, it's fine. Just come here and paste it. Now we've got our data, and if I click on it, yeah, .csv now is fine. So this is how you do it, and I want to get the columns of this data. So I'm going to say data.columns. So now if I click on it, we have like this is the columns we have on this data, and if I want to get all the informations on this data, is data.info. This is where you get all the information you need to know on this data, everything that it includes. If it's object, if it's here, you see your open date, your high date, you know, like this is not supposed to be on object, you are going to turn it to datetime. I'm going to do that, do the showing on my next class. Now this class is only to clean up data. So first of all, you need to check if this data has a missing value. So you know to do data dot is now. So this is going to give you, this is going to show you if this data has any missing value. So if I click on my tab again, it's going to say we have date has one missing value. So because date has one missing value, we just have to drop this, you know, this missing value. You can fill it, you know, filling it with maybe 0, or but because date is date time, and you just have to drop that one that doesn't have date. You can choose to fill it with 0, you can choose to fill it with, you know, just you can choose to fill it, but I would suggest dropping it. It depends on the data set we are analyzing. So right now, to clean it up, I'm just gonna say data data dot drop now. So this is gonna allow me to drop you know, anything that is missing value on here. So now if I check my data again, so data dot is now, this is me checking if there is any other missing value. You are going to see that it is being cleared up. So date doesn't have any missing value anymore. So now we are going to check for duplicate. So data dot duplicate dot sum. So if you run this, it's going to show that if it has duplicate or not. So because this particular data doesn't have any duplicate, it's showing 0, so we are good to go. So your next step is for you to carry on to analyze your data, get familiar with your data, and you are good to go. Before I close this for today, I'm going to show you how to save your analysis, so just so it will be easier for you to find again on your Google Drive. Because if you not save it, it will just be like this, but here it's been automatically saved on here, so you don't have to do this all the time. So but if you want to save it, so you just have to come up here and just save it with a name you just, you know, feel familiar with or you feel comfortable with. Just say shop.analysis, just any name you feel comfortable with, and you click out. That's it, automatically saved, and you can see it saved here as well. So let me know what you think about this data cleaning on the comment section, and if you want more lesson on this, I will be dropping more lesson on that. So let me know. Thank you. closing this for now.